In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Zoho CRM. This is a quick and simple change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable it feels to work in your CRM, especially if you spend long hours looking at your screen. Let's start from your Zoho CRM homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you can see the main dashboard or any standard module, like leads or contacts. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This is usually represented by your profile picture or your initials inside a small circle. Move your mouse to that top right corner and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where Zoho groups various personal and appearance settings for your account, including the option we need to switch themes. In this menu, look for the appearance or theme section where you'll see different display options. One of the options will be labeled night. This is Zoho CRM's dark mode. It may appear as a toggle, a button, or a theme selection tile depending on your current layout, but it will clearly say night. Go ahead and click on night. As soon as you select it, your interface should immediately switch from the light theme to a darker color scheme. The background will become dark and the text and icons will adjust to lighter tones so everything remains readable. There's no need to refresh your browser or save anything. The change takes effect right away. Take a moment to scroll around your CRM to make sure you're comfortable with how everything looks in dark mode. Check your homepage, a couple of modules, and maybe open a record or two. Dark mode can reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments, and many people find it easier to focus on their data with less glare. If at any point you decide you prefer the original look, you can switch back just as easily. Simply click your profile icon again in the top right corner, open the same menu, and choose the default light option instead of